So here is the Dollar Tree Fun Kite. Let's put this together and test it out. Okay, so here's what you get. You get like plastic ribbons, you get kite string, you get these two tiny sticks. They're really thin. Are they metal? I don't know if they're plastic or metal. I think they're plastic. And then you get this kite, and it's a plastic kite. And you have to be careful when you open the package, because I actually, the top actually cut it when I was cutting the package open. So it's supposed to be pretty simple. You're supposed to just open this, and then one of these sticks is supposed to go in here, and so the stick goes into the one end, then it's supposed to go into the middle. So it's supposed to go together like that. Then the other stick goes on this side. So there's what the kite looks like when it's assembled and all the sticks are in. And there's the other side. And how do we put the string on? The ribbon, there's the holes in the ribbon. How does the ribbon go on? There's two ribbons. I'm assuming they go on the bottom of the kite down here. So I just put the two ribbons in like that. Now I do have to say this kite is feeling really flimsy. I haven't flown a kite in many, many years, but I remember them being much more sturdy than this. I mean, I could be wrong. Then it says on the front of the kite, tie the string to the loop. Okay. So here's the front of the kite, and here is the loop. So I guess we tie it to this. How do we tie it so it doesn't come off? Okay, so I just tied the end of the string to the loop on the kite. I tied it, I don't know, like 10 times in each direction, and hopefully that'll hold. So what I need to do now is take this kite to the park and see if it'll fly. Visit me at carriehalwell.com. Also, find me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, all /Carrie Halwell. This has been a Carrie Halwell production. Thank you for watching. That's an awesome kite for only $1.